New at 10 o'clock, the Houston Health Department is setting the record straight about an alarming social media post that is going viral. It claims to show more than 46,000 people tested positive for various STDs in Houston just last week. Stephen Goen is getting some answers about what those numbers really mean. Stephen.
Len, this post is alarming because it's been viewed more than 3 million times, but it actually refers to the number of STD tests across the state, not diagnoses. Tonight, the Houston Health Department is now apologizing for the, quote, distress this may have caused, but they still don't know who exactly put this information out there. It only took 24 hours for this image to gain traction on social media. It claims tens of thousands of people in Houston were diagnosed with chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, or HIV in the past week. But that's not true. In a statement to the KHOU 11 Verify team, the Houston Health Department says this post includes grossly overstated numbers and incorrect information. We're told those numbers actually represent the number of tests done for these STDs across the entire state last week, not just Houston. And there's no indication if the tests were positive or negative. According to the Houston Health Department, a quote, violation of its policies resulted in the data being shared. The department is now conducting an investigation, but a spokesperson would not say if an employee has been identified as the one who published that data.
I knew immediately that a lot of people would read it incorrectly and not understand it.
Jeffrey Campbell with Allies in Hope, a Houston organization focused on ending the spread of HIV, says he was disappointed.
It really bothers me
to see misinformation and stigma about STDs gaining traction online. He believes if people are getting tested, it's a good sign they're being responsible.
Individuals cannot know their status, whether it's an HIV status or an STI status, unless they get tested. Testing leads us to ending the HIV epidemic.
Now, we will stay on the health department to see if they find the employee responsible for this misinformation and if that person faces any consequences or disciplinary action. The health department says they do want people to remain safe when it comes to sex. At the Houston Health Department, Stephen Goen, KHOU 11 News.
Yeah, the big question's who and why. Stephen, thank you.